In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide or unhide chart elements in TradingView, step by step. If your charts ever feel cluttered with drawings, indicators, or order markers, this quick walkthrough will help you clean things up without deleting anything. We'll keep it simple and make sure you know exactly what each option does so you can focus on price action when you need to and bring everything back just as easily. Start by opening TradingView and navigating to any chart. It can be any symbol or time frame. Stocks, crypto, forex, you name it. The layout doesn't matter here. All you need is a chart open on your screen. Next, look toward the top of your chart area, near the chart title or ticker symbol. You'll see a small eye icon on the top toolbar. That eye is your visibility control. If your window is narrow or the toolbar feels crowded, it might shift slightly, but it will still be near the chart title area. Click the eye icon to open a small menu of visibility options. Here's what each one does. Hide Drawing will hide all drawing tools on your chart, things like trend lines, horizontal lines, Fibonacci tools, shapes, and text notes. This is perfect when you want a clean view without removing your annotations. Nothing is deleted. It's simply hidden and can be brought back instantly. Hide Indicators will hide every indicator applied to the chart in one go. Moving averages, oscillators, custom scripts, everything disappears visually, but remains loaded in your layout. This helps you analyze raw price action or take clean screenshots without losing your indicator setup. Hide Positions and Orders will hide your open trades, pending orders, and position markers. This is especially useful for presentations or when sharing charts publicly, while your trading connection and orders remain intact in the background. Hide All is the fastest way to declutter everything at once. It hides drawings, indicators, positions, and orders, leaving only the candlesticks or price bars visible. Think of it as a clean slate for visual analysis. To bring things back, click the eye icon again and uncheck the options you previously hid. You can unhide one category at a time or restore everything. Your chart returns exactly as it was, with all settings, colors, and placements preserved. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.